Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rob Alabas, and I'm glad you stopped by. Today I'm walking through everything I've figured out about Vizard, so you can see how it actually works. We'll cover what it can do, and whether it's a fit for your specific workflow. Spoiler, if you make long-form videos and you want to turn them into consistent short-form content without losing your mind, Vizard is going to change the game. So first, what is Vizard? In short, it's a cloud-based AI editing platform that automatically finds the best moments in your long videos and turns them into ready-to-post clips. You don't have to download anything. Everything runs right there in your browser. You can take a single podcast episode, interview, lecture, or Zoom meeting and spin out dozens of vertical clips, square promos, or horizontal trailers. It's the sort of thing that lets you spend a few focused minutes each week and come away with dozens of micro pieces of content. You can publish that content across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without missing a beat. If you haven't tried it yet, there's usually a trial link in the description. Go sign up and poke around. But for now, let me show you how I use it and what I love, along with what to watch out for. Landing on the main page, you get a quick taste of what it promises. One long video, many viral clips. That's accurate. In my testing, the platform often pulls way more good moments than the marketing suggests. The interface is friendly. You can paste a URL, drop in a file, or paste a link from a common video service, and the system starts working immediately. Some competing tools require installs, have clunky user interfaces, or charge per clip, which gets expensive fast. Vizard leans into three core strengths that really matter for modern creators. The first is auto-editing viral clips, where the AI scans your transcript and audio, highlights attention-grabbing bites, and outputs clips that are ready to share. Second is auto-schedule, allowing you to set your posting frequency and let the AI push clips live on a schedule without any manual uploads every morning. Third is the content calendar, where everything you plan, schedule, and publish sits in one place so you can manage multiple channels without the chaos. But Vizard isn't only those three things. It also gives you caption styles, filler word removal, royalty-free B-roll suggestions, and translation options for editors who want to fine-tune in other software. That combination is what separates it from cheaper, single-feature tools on the market. Okay, let's jump into my dashboard so you can see a real workflow in action. When you log in, the first thing you'll notice is your credit or hour balance, since the system usually works on processed video time. I've got a stack of hours because I regularly upload hour-long podcasts and interviews. If you're more casual, the entry tier plans are pretty reasonable, and you can always add credits when you need them. Now the fun part? You just drop your link or upload the raw file before you even publish to YouTube, so you can start pre-promotion. Vizard will ingest, transcribe, and begin analyzing the content for you. You'll pick a caption style, choose the target clip length, and set a processing range if you don't want the AI to scan the entire video. For example, if the best segment is only from minute 12 to minute 22, you tell Vizard to only process that specific range to save credits and speed things up. You can also add topic keywords. This is huge, which will prioritize clips that include those specific subjects. Couple that with a custom Copilot prompt if you want the AI to favor certain hooks, calls to action, or tones. This is how you keep the output perfectly aligned with your established channel's voice. Once the AI finishes, you get a stack of suggested clips, each with a thumbnail preview, a suggested title, length, and a virality score that estimates performance. Don't treat the score as gospel, but it's a helpful ranking so you don't waste time scrolling through dozens of clips. I usually heart the ones I like, so the AI learns my specific taste. You can also thumbs down clips so they show up less often. Editing inside Vizard is surprisingly flexible, featuring an editor panel with the transcript on the left and the visual preview on the right. You can adjust the start or end by clicking the transcript, trim, clip at the current time, toggle speaker tracking, or zoom the frame. Speaking of layout, Vizard does smart layouts automatically. Portrait, square, landscape, split screen, or fit and crop. If your original is a side-by-side interview, it'll auto-detect the two speakers and make a portrait version that stays centered on whoever is currently speaking. For screen share content, there's a mode that highlights the shared screen and keeps your face nicely contained in a corner. Perfect for tutorials. Captions are baked in, and you can pick how many lines show up at once, caption animation styles, and even the positioning. I like to keep captions bold and centered for interviews with two people. For single-host clips, I'll use a popular pop-line style. There's also automatic filler word removal, which magically takes out the UHS and ums, so the clip feels much punchier without any re-recording. The captions also export with SRT files too, if you want to post natively on another platform later. Another feature I lean on heavily is Vizard's royalty-free B-roll suggestions when your clip is visually thin. It's smart about relevance, showing B-roll related directly to the topic being discussed on screen. That saves me the time hunting for clips or paying for extra stock from other libraries. One essential workflow tip is to set your preferred clip length before processing and use those topic keywords together for the best results. That combo usually returns a neat batch of clips that require only a small amount of light editing afterward. Now, the scheduling and calendar? This is where Vizard really pulls ahead of many competitors in the space. Once you finalize a clip, you can either download the HD file or send it directly to the scheduler right from the platform. Connect your socials like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and then simply set your posting frequency for the week. Want one clip a day at 9 a.m.? Set it and forget it. Vizard queues it and posts automatically when the time comes. The content calendar lets you see everything scheduled across all your platforms, reschedule posts, or swap clips if something more timely comes up. Some services only give you clips, but you still have to manually post everything, while others don't offer a unified calendar for multi-channel management. Vizard's combination of AI clip selection plus scheduling plus calendar is truly the full stack, which is why it's become part of my weekly routine. Pricing-wise, there are tiers, with entry plans letting you test and publish a handful of clips per month. Pro tiers are for creators or teams that need more processing hours and the ability to use multi-brand templates. If you manage different brands or clients, Vizard's brand templates save a ton of time by setting caption style, colors, and fonts just once. Team features also let you invite editors or collaborators with role-based access permissions for security. A few extra things that have made a real difference for me include multi-language support with clean caption translation for international audiences. If you want to polish a clip in your preferred software, Vizard exports an XML file so you can pick up the edit seamlessly there. The Learning Center and community provide tutorials for everything, plus you can swap tips with other creators on Discord. One honest caveat is that AI is great but not perfect, so expect to spend a little time fine-tuning captions or trimming a second or two for pacing. Vizard handles about 90 to 95% of the work, but that last 5 to 10% of human judgment is what makes your content truly sing. So who is Vizard for? If you're a solo creator pumping out long interviews or tutorials, it is genuinely a massive time saver for your brand. If you manage multiple channels for brands or clients, the templates and calendar make batching and scheduling far less painful. If you're an agency with a team of editors, the team access and export options fit right into your professional pipeline. If you want to try it, check that link in the description. Sign up, drop in a recent video, and let the AI work for a few minutes. Play with the clip length, add a keyword or two, heart the clips you like so the AI learns your style, and then schedule a week's worth of posts. Trust me, once you have 3 or 4 weeks of short-form content queued up, you'll notice more cross-traffic to your long-form videos and, honestly, more watch time overall. Alright, that's my Vizard walkthrough. If you want me to do a deep dive into anything specific, like B-roll workflows or cross-posting strategies, drop a comment and I'll make a follow-up video. Also tell me which tools you're currently using, and I'll compare them to Vizard and show when it's actually worth switching. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful. If you try Vizard, let me know how it goes and what surprised you the most. See you in the next video, and take care.